first rain. The rainy season is officially here. It's good. I was praying all day because the clouds were very low and dark coming from the nearby mountains, very obscure, very dark. So I kind of expected that it's gonna be that this day. So I was praying that and being thankful that the rain is coming because the tierra really need it. It's super hot here, very dry, and now you can feel the happiness of the birds of the tierra, the nature that they receive this nourishing water. So it was perfect. However, I was really doubting and a little bit fearful if it's gonna be the first rain super heavy, as I was really praying and asking universe for soft short rain, and it was perfect. So as you can see, vetiver, fresh planted vetivers and palms are super happy, all the grass. So I'm gonna check, it's morning, very hot. I'm gonna check how the tierra, how the land looks actually with the if it was sliding, you know, because we are not done yet with all this terraces and landscaping and protecting the erosion and the slide. So yeah, we are still in a construction site, so hard to walk. So how does it look here? Yes. Hoja Santa, which was replanting a few days ago, is not really happy, but I give her time. And everything down there looks pretty good. The terraces are holding. Well done. Happy nursery place. Just the basil is a little bit sad. But basically all looks pretty solid and good and happy. Yeah, so we have first rain done. Yeah, let's see how the other will be. I guess it's gonna be pretty